2 decades of television and the beginnings of a communications revolution have helped to generate in our society a new mood of universal expectancy, much of which centers around information, education, and the opportunity to be involved in the process. Cable television is part of an advancing communications technology which could fulfill this expectancy, but only if immediate consideration is given to the long-range public interest. Experts at this moment agree that cable could very quickly develop into a two-way interactive system with computers in line. They view the number of television channels available as practically unlimited, with a promise of a cashless, checkless society, business conducted from home, electronic mail delivery, facsimile reproduction, social services, community forums, laser-bright wall-size TV, wired schools and universities linked directly to the wired cities. Because the necessary technology exists, the prospect is immediate, and the political, social, and cultural implications are awesome.
In the late 1940s, when television was fast spreading across America, some communities were disappointed to find themselves in a poor position to receive television signals. But by 1950, private operators began to build large community antennas, and for a fee, to distribute the stations they received to their subscribers. They used a special kind of wire to carry the complex television signals, a thin copper strand, supported down the center of a flexible metal tube to form kind of an electronic pipe, called coaxial cable. As used today, just one of these can carry up to 100 television channels, more information than 100,000 telephone lines. At first, the cable operator offered only the programs on the local television stations. UHF channels, difficult to receive and tune on most television sets, he converted to fit into empty slots on the VHF dial. Then, he brought in television programs from other cities. First with long-range antennas, then over leased lines from more distant stations. And he filled the still unused channels with programs originated in his own studios, weather and the stock market, local news, and community events. The airwaves are full. Dozens of private companies and government agencies are clamoring for space on the crowded broadcast spectrum. The cable operator, free to use the whole spectrum he has captured inside his cable, finds himself able to install an almost unlimited number of channels, as well as something television broadcasters never had, the ability to send signals back up the wire.